Here is another means to start earning money for free, and this time it's by submitting your photos. Like any kind of photos you have on your gallery, you can upload on this website. High quality photos, actually, you can upload on this website and get paid for it. So if you're just getting to know about this channel, this is where I share money making opportunities, both paid and free, through cryptocurrency, websites, AI, trading, and what have you. So if you're yet to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and also join my Telegram community for daily updates. So now let's get right into it. So here is it. If you're just getting started, you have to sign up on this Shutterstock. The link is shutterstock summit.shutterstock.com. So I'll drop the link in the description box of this video and in the pin post in the comment section, so you can get started and see how you can start making money from this one. So to get started, you need to enter your mail, create a password, fill in the form, the registration form, then your address, your location address, any country at all. This is a worldwide stuff. You can do this from any part of the world: US, UK, Canada, Australia, Nigeria, Germany, Spain, Rwanda, Kigali, Kenya, any country at all. You can start submitting photos and start making money once the photos are approved. So also, when you are signing up, you have to fill the tax information form. And if your country does not have any tax information, just select you are not from US and proceed to filling that you don't have any tax information, and that's all. Because you must complete your tax information before August of this year, 2026. So after you must have fill in the tax information, here is the home page, and this is what you have. You see, start uploading today. I'll click on upload. Let me upload a photo and you guys can see on how it works. You can upload photo, you can upload videos. So let me come to photos. Let me see which one I think they might like. I don't know. I'm trying to see. I'm trying to see which one I feel they might like. I have a lot of photos. I just pray they approve. I'm trying to check quality because I want them to approve it. I don't want to be submitting here and there and let me do video. Let me upload this 20 seconds video. It's a buffet, like food video I took in South Africa. So let me see. It's loading. Let's see. So I've uploaded one photo. So I want to check for videos so that we can see what's going on with this. Maybe I should have just selected photos. This one is taking longer than expected. Okay, it has loaded. So it's uploading to the website. You have to wait for it to get uploaded and see. I'm filling the information. You have to fill some information about the photo or video. You can see I'm having one pending photos. I uploaded one photo and it's pending review. So recently reviewed 0, marketplace catalog not submitted. So this one is pending. I uploaded one photos and this is it. Oh, I don't want to leave sites because I'm uploading a video. I don't want them to cancel it. It looks like this video is taking longer. Let me do photo. This video upload is taking forever already. Okay. And I have more of okay. This thing is uploaded. The video is uploaded, but it's not showing you. Okay. Now here is it. So I have to fill their form to explain what the video or the photo is all about. You can see it's showing needs attention. So once you click on that needs attention, it will bring out this form. Okay, here I can do, you can see description, minimum 5 words. Describe this video or photo in minimum of 5 words. A buffet stand, a food buffet video of varieties of veggies. So I've a food buffet video of varieties of veggies. So food and drink, category 2. Let me choose people. Now keyword. They suggested some keyword for me. Delicate background, beautiful blue areas. Those. Let me click on add all. Then I'll say I can add veggies, meal. So you can add up to 50 keywords. Veggies, meal, then buffet stand, I'm trying to add for as many keywords I can think of. Food, events, people. As I'm adding, I'm clicking on enter. That's why you are saying that it's disappearing, but it's showing here that I'm adding. So I need to scroll down. Then you can see usage, commercial. What is this? Then I'll select. I have to scroll down again. All releases and newest. A to Z. All releases. More options are needed. More options as needed. I don't have any option for here. Case number. Case number is if you already have an inquiry with the support team, then you can add the case number here. If you are trying to make reference to a particular image, maybe you submitted and they have issues with it, and you are trying to make reference to that, so you can add the case number it. So they are the one that will give you case number if there is any. That's if you've contacted their support and you want to make reference to that particular case. So matured content is if you are uploading is in sexual or nudity content, but no, that is not what I'm uploading, so I don't need to fill matured content. So you can see what I feel there, a food buffet video of varieties of veggies. Let me write displayed. So just make sure you had it as enough as you can think, or if you have to use Google to get some things done. But you can see what I've just did. And I click on submit. Okay, it's showing the assets need attention. Let me scroll up and see what okay, it's telling me please remove this one, that and logo that I use. I need to type a food video of varieties of veggies and meal displayed. I've removed it now. So what else? Let me resubmit again. So I've just submitted a video now. So I'm having a video and a photo pending. I hope and pray they approve it so that I can start earning from this. So now let's talk about their payments. Their payment, minimum payment is $25. $25, and their mode of payment is by PayPal, Payoneer, or Skrill. PayPal, Payoneer, or Skrill. So once you earn up to that $25, you'll be able to add your payment option, either Skrill, no payment center. You will see your payout history once you have reached the minimum payment amount. The default minimum payment amount is $25 for PayPal or Skrill and $500 for checks. So you can adjust your minimum payouts, but nothing less than $25. So if you can create Skrill. Anyone using Twitter, X, you should Skrill accounts. You can now create Skrill. You can withdraw your money by Skrill. I have a PayPal account, and PayPal is supported in many countries already. So you can see minimum payout $25 using PayPal or Skrill. But if you want to collect check, maybe wire transfer, then the minimum payout is $500. I guess that's for Payoneer payouts. Yeah. So this is the payouts and the minimum payout. You can see you can earn money from here. So what I need now is to, if I click on this portfolio, I can see manage releases. I can see what I've added so far, and I can add more. You can add more, many photos and videos as you can. All that matters is they must be quality, and they have to review it before approving it. So anytime anyone buys or purchases your photos or videos, then you get paid for it. They've not mentioned amounts they are paying per photo or video. Actually, maybe when they approve mine, I can see how much they are paying. Then I'll just keep uploading. I know that by the time I upload like 20, they will approve any one of them, and I can start earning from them as well. So this is how to use Shutterstock as a contributor. You can start earning money from these websites and start buy your photos. Like you can see what I did for my gallery already. Okay, you can set your payouts here. Please provide us your payouts details so that we can pay you once you accrue earnings. This is the payouts. So I can add my payout details. Let me see. Payouts method. Okay. I'll just have to check these payouts and see. I don't want to have payments yet. Maybe if I see their earnings, if it's something I can add my domiciliary account straight up, my dollar account, so that they can pay to dollars since they say minimum of 500. But if I see that minimum of $500 will take a long time, then I'll have to add PayPal or Skrill. So I want to see how much they are paying per purchase first before I will decide which payment method I want to use. Because if it's something I can make more money, then I will prefer collecting my money by checks like bank transfer. So that's it. So I'm waiting for their review. Let's see. Alright guys, so this is how to use Shutterstock. Like, share, subscribe to this channel. Join my Telegram community. The link is attached to the description box of this video and in the pin post in the comment section. See you guys on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.